Hey Crafty Tae, today we are going to be doing we are going to be playing the ice cream sale. So we are going to be doing the ice cream sale. I'm going to be selling the ice cream. She's going to be buying it. So let's get started. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae. It's Crafty. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae. It's Crafty. Crafty Van. It's Crafty. It's Crafty Tae. Ice cream self open. Hi. Hello. Let's go over. You have to see me. Hello. Hi. What is your name? Savannah. Hello, Savannah. What would you like for today? How about this? I have vanilla and chocolate.
I want vanilla and chocolate.
No, you only can have one.
Vanilla.
Okay.
Can I have some stuff on there? Some sprinkles and stuff?
Some sprinkles. Oh, and
I want chocolate.
guess what? You can have one of these with that, or you can have one of these in this.
I want sprinkles inside.
Okay. Let's get them. Okay, this, or do you want, and also we sell bowls here. We also sell bowls if you want a bowl.
I want a bowl.
You don't want a bowl? No, you can
Also
get.
let my friend need one.
Okay, so which color do you think she'll like?
She'll like green.
Okay. Okay.
She said she want that one.
This one?
Yeah.
And it matches.
Yeah. And she said she want chocolate.
Chocolate?
Yeah. Chocolate on top.
Okay, then she'll need a spoon.
Yeah, she'll like purple.
Okay.
It actually matches my ice cream. What you doing? Hey. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
How?
Putting sprinkles on it. And also chocolate drizzle and some whipped cream and a cherry. Okay, this will be $12. Wait, let me see. Let me see how much it will be. Wait. Let's see. Here you go.
Thank you.
Let me see how much it will be. So, wait. 2 ice cream shots with a cone. So, 2 ice cream shots with a cone and another cone. Okay, I know how much you need. Nope. It'll be $20, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Let's see how much money is. Okay, so you have 25. You gave me 25. I'm gonna take away 5 from 20. So take this 5 away from 20. Sorry, guys. Let's take this 5 away from 20.
And she said she likes something else. She says she likes something else on her.
Oh, okay. So you're not done yet? Okay. So then you don't order yet.
Oh, we forgot that our spoon.
Oh, yeah. Do you need anything else?
Yeah, she said she need
We can have another bowl or another cone.
I need another bowl. I need another bowl
Okay.
from my other friend. And she likes chocolate. She
Wait.
likes.
Okay. Scoot over. They can't. Oh no, they can't see. I can't just touch it. Okay.
Okay, and she likes like strawberry.
Okay. Stop touching it. Don't touch my stuff.
It's not your stuff.
You can't touch people's stuff. Then I'll be gross.
And she need her spoon. I'm gonna carry her spoon. I can carry her spoon.
Okay, that's a lot of stuff. You might have to pay more. That'll be $25. Thank you. Wait.
Who is this once again? This is pretend and this is Nugget. And this is why I was going.
That will be. Okay, here you go. $12.
I can't carry dollars.
Here you go. I gotta keep that money.
Thank you.
Bye. Come back later.
Bye.
More ice cream. Hello.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Oh, I know what the bowls are for. You just got the ice cream.
Okay.
I need a chocolate twist, please. Okay. On a cream.
Why are you quiet?
I'm not. Then I'll like a Red Bull.
Okay. You need another one?
No.
Do you like
I'd also
chocolate
like a
chip?
vanilla, and I also like a vanilla twist.
Okay. I bet you get a chocolate chip.
No. I need a vanilla twist. I mean, yeah, a vanilla twist, please.
Okay.
With the bowl.
What's the green one?
And I think that's it. Thank you. Here you go.
Oh, you forgot your spoon.
No, I don't need no spoons. No, we don't get spoons. Here you go. Bye. So I won't drip it. Shop open.
Hi.
What is your name?
Savannah.
What would you like?
I would like
You can get on your knees.
I like a strawberry and a chocolate chip and this.
Nope, you only can get two.
I want this and I
So you
like
pick
a chocolate
this.
chip.
Okay. And then would you like any drizzle?
I want that.
Okay, this one? Okay. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Okay, here, let me give you some money.
Okay.
Wait. Nope, you have to go over there. $6.
Thank you.
Here you go. Bye. Enjoy that. Hello, what is your name? Okay, what would you like? What's your name?
Dayton.
Hello, Dayton. What would you like? You could have these two, or you could have something in the bowl.
I want this and this.
Okay. And then which icing would you like?
This flavor, please.
Nope, not these. Which one would you like? Chocolate? Okay. Put that down. Put that down. Okay. Here you go. Enjoy. Oh, let me give you some money. $6.
Thank you.
Bye. See you later.
See you later.
Enjoy.
Bye.
Okay, like and subscribe. I hope you guys liked us. Hope you guys liked watching us making the ice cream.